Welcome. I am Dr. Jason Morales, and next I want to talk to you about the expected way to format a figure. Figures should illustrate data clearly. Figures should be simple without any complex coloring. Your graphs, charts, or figures should look something like this here on the left. So this is an example of how any professional chart, graph, or figure should look in any engineering, science paper, journal, or report. You can use this format for any future course, any future paper or report that you need to make. Notice that in this figure here on the left, that the axes are clearly labeled and the units of the data are included in parentheses. There are no grid lines, and tick marks are outside of the plot area. You want to keep data points in black and shades of gray. Try to avoid colors, because when colors are printed in black and white, they are converted to shades of gray and may be hard to discern. Instead, you can differentiate data sets by changing data point symbols. So in this tutorial, we aren't going to be using different data point symbols. We're just going to be using a circular symbol because we've only got one type of data to represent in this figure. So without further ado, any time is a good time to learn. So let's get started.